I saw your question about 7.4. Compute p of x using the binomial probability formula, then using a normal distribution. So I have both of them here. Okay, and so I'm not sure use stat crunch, and I'll show you how to do it here. And also there's videos in 7.4, well, about how to use stat crunch, and then earlier, back in chapter 6 too, there's videos on binomial calculator. Or what? So your sample size is 73, P is 0.66, and X is 45. X, probability X is 45. You just click compute, it gives you a very precise answer, and this is from chapter 6, So this is a very exact answer. Now we want to approximate it with the normal calculator. And so, the mean is n times p, so we got to multiply these two numbers, which comes out to 48.18. Then the sigma standard deviation is n times p times 1 minus p, the complement. You take the square root of that, and that come out to 4.0474. Then you got to do, I'm doing the between here, and so x equals 45, you got to do the correction factor. You got to go a half on each side of it. So you go 44.5 to 45.5. Click compute, and it gives you an answer very close to this one. This is a precise answer, and this is an estimate of it. Hope that helps.